Anmol Bali, my colleague, is joining us from Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar. Amit Bhardwaj is standing by at DPS Mathura Road. Pooja Shali also is joining us from the newsroom. Amit, I'll come across to you now at DPS Mathura Road. What more can you tell us about the threat email they received, and what is the situation on the ground right now at DPS Mathura Road?
Paulami, I'm standing right outside the DPS Mathura Road School, and if you would look at the school, it has a deserted look. And the reason behind it is that quite early in the day itself, the management administration of the school had, informed the students and parents that school will remain closed today due to the security reasons. And we are being told by the security staff at the DPS Mathura Road that Delhi police had actually conducted a search operation in the entire school, and that went on for nearly 1.5 hours almost, and after that the Delhi police team has already left. So as of now, the school remains closed and the entire premises has a deserted look, like many other schools in the national capital, where either the search operations are being conducted by the Delhi police or mock drills have been conducted by the school administration on their own. And it is also happening because the kind of the amount of threat emails that has gone, as you were also mentioning, Delhi Fire Services has received nearly 60 calls of bomb threats at different schools in the national capital. So that also has sent across created a ripple effect in the national capital. Several of the schools on their own are also conducting mock drills, checking their premises as to whether any suspicious element is on the campus. But at the spot where I'm standing, students were asked not to come to the school, and Delhi police has already carried out a search operation out here. Nothing suspicious have been found from this school. Paulami.
Okay. Amit, stay on with us. Pooja is also joining us from the newsroom. Pooja, apologies for cutting you short. You were, of course, telling us, because you're speaking to a lot of parents as well since early this morning, about the kind of panic they must have been in when they received that message, as you did yourself, from the school saying that they had received a bomb threat email.
That's right, Paulami. So I was here at work when there was early morning when we were getting the child ready. He was heading out to the bus stop when we received the message that there's been an emergency situation. Do not board the bus, return home. And if your child has boarded the bus, the same transport will ensure that the child is returned, and the private commuters can come and receive the child from the school. But initially, we did not know what the reason was. Then we have received an official communication that said that there has been received a mail that appears to threaten the security and safety of students and staff, and we have ensured all precautionary measures have been taken and the students are going to be sent back. We thought perhaps it's 1 or 2 schools, but now it looks like there could be more than 50 schools. Remember, this is also about the system that they had to put place. Apart from the staff in the school that had to ensure children and staff are safe, now the bomb squads have reached. As of now, investigation is being done at every corner of each school that has confirmed received that email. It's the same email, Paulami. Same email, same content that has gone to about 50 schools. This looks like pre-planned, had all the addresses, knew at what time to be sent, and clearly it is in a full-on panic mode. However, Delhi police and authorities have said that they have ensured the cops are at the schools. Investigation is being done. And while they try to probe from where did the mail come, why was it sent, what's sort of a messaging here, the threat that has attempted to be, but have requested the parents and the families not to panic. Of course, it's understandable. There's a concern. I have faced the panic this morning, but the authorities have said they are taking care of the situation. For now, there hasn't been an explosive discovered yet, according to our information, in any of the schools. Most of the children have returned back, and it remains to be seen if they'll go ahead tomorrow with the classes. And schools that have not received the email, they are also taking all precautions, is what we are told. Paulami.
Right. Pooja, stay on with us. Anmol Bali is also joining us. He is outside the Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar in Delhi. Anmol, what is the situation on the ground? You spoke to the cop on the ground as well. What sort of precautions are they taking in order to ensure that everyone is safe and students can return to school tomorrow?
Polmi, all the schools, those who have received these bomb threats via email have been evacuated. Currently, I am here in the Mayur Vihar outside of the Mother Mary School, one of the 50 schools in the national capital which also received the bomb threat. Cops are on the ground, LG is on the ground. He's going to the schools which have received the bomb threat, and I'll show you in the visual. You can see Apurva Gupta, DCP East, has come here and she was inside. She went inside, she investigated. All the other senior officers are inside. In the morning it was seen that fire brigade officers were also inside. Delhi police with the bomb squad as well as dog squad is also inside, and they're finding every corner of the school, from classroom to bathroom to the canteen, from the principal's office to the staff room. Every place in the schools is being checked by the cops, because this is not a small matter. But fortunately nothing have been found by the cops, and they're investigating the matter, that from where these mails were originated, who's the one behind this mail, what was his plan behind sending this mail. They are checking out the IP, and Delhi police is on the ground, as well as the government and the administration is also on the ground to look at this matter.